Okay, the ground game is to learn precisely what exists within the forest itself. And across the landscape in general. It's to learn specifically everything that we can't learn from the air or otherwise determine from the air. Because remember, it's from the ground that we actually get to see the trees and grade them and look at them. So this is very, very important. Okay, from the air we now know our dead and distressed tree counts, sometimes called red and dead. We know the size and extent of any blowdown patches. And as shown in the last video, we know with reasonable precision the number of total trees in our study area. We even have a really good calculated estimate as to the stand's species composition. So now that we have all that, what is there left to do? In order to determine the reality within the forest, what do we do now? Well, it seems obvious to me that what we need to do is we need to determine the truth, the reality of the tree, the quantity, the grading, the quality of the trees that we've already identified from the air. We need to get that data, and there's two ways to do it, three to keep in mind to do this. And one of them is to make sure that when we grade the trees, we really do a precise job, because that's going to make a huge difference, as I'll show later on. Number two is our trees we do grade have to be representative of the stand in general. We're not going to grade every tree in the forest, so they have to be representative. So number one, quality grading. Number two, representative trees. And when we get all this information, we're going to integrate it and combine it in a way that we take advantage of both worlds. It's going to be put together in a way that is going to be highly accurate and surprisingly inexpensive. So let's go see how we do that.